In this video, we'll show you how to download the Windows 10 ISO using Rufus. First, open the Rufus website and download the latest version. Open the downloaded file. This is an important step. Make sure you select Yes for the Rufus update policy. Click the down arrow button and select the download option. Select the Windows 10 option. Under the Release section, select the Windows 10 ISO you want to download. Select the language of Windows 10. Select the operating system architecture. Usually, you want to select x64 for Windows 64-bit. Select the checkbox to download the ISO file using your browser. Click the Download button. Once you complete these steps, you can create a bootable USB flash drive. Once done, you can plug the USB drive into a computer to install Windows 10. Select Partition 2 from the list of the boot devices. In cases where the download option is not available, you need to enable Rufus updates. Click on this icon to open the app settings. Under the Settings section, change the Check for Updates option to Daily. Close the Settings page. Close Rufus, then run it again. As you can see, the download option is now available. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.